Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Kitchen Faucet channel, where we explore the latest and greatest for troubleshooting and improving your home kitchen. Today we are going to talk about something that may seem simple, but can actually be quite difficult: chest plumbing. It is a task that many people take on themselves, and while this is certainly possible, there are some common mistakes that can make the process much more frustrating than it needs. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay updated with all our latest home improvement tips. Let's start. In this guide, we will explore the steps and techniques involved in performing chest plumbing, a crucial task in various plumbing scenarios. Before you begin, ensure that you have the necessary tools and safety equipment on hand. Tools and equipment required: pipe wrench, channel lock pliers, Teflon tape, pipe cutter, emery cloth, pipe fittings, pipe sealant, safety gloves, safety goggles. Step-by-step guide to performing chest plumbing. Assessment and preparation: inspect the area to identify the source of the issue. Shut off the water supply to the affected area. Prepare your workspace by clearing any obstructions. Removal of old fittings using a pipe wrench. Carefully loosen and remove the old fittings. Clean the pipe threads and inspect the pipes for any damage. Cutting the pipe: measure and mark the pipe at the desired length using a pipe cutter. Carefully cut the pipe to the correct length. Preparing the pipes: use an emery cloth to clean and smooth the cut edges of the pipe. Apply pipe sealant or Teflon tape to the pipe threads. Fitting placement: identify where the new fittings will be placed. Ensure that the fittings are compatible with the pipe material. Attaching the new fittings: attach the fittings to the pipes, ensuring a tight and secure connection. Use a pipe wrench to tighten the fittings to the appropriate torque. Testing: turn on the water supply and check for any leaks. Test the flow and functionality of the newly installed plumbing. Final checks: inspect the entire system for any signs of leakage. Ensure that all connections are secure and properly sealed. By following these step-by-step instructions and safety precautions, you can successfully perform chest plumbing with confidence and precision. Remember to take your time, stay focused, and prioritize safety throughout the entire process. Well, that's a wrap for today's tutorial on a chest plumbing. Remember, maintaining your faucet not only improves the water quality but also extends the life of your plumbing fixtures. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends for more DIY tips and tricks.